Often the problem with knees is an inability to get full flexion. So your full range of motion should be essentially being able to kick yourself in the bum with your heel. So most people are a little bit short in that full range of motion, and that is determined by the flexibility of the quadriceps muscle. So if you can't kick yourself in the butt with your heel, or you can't kneel properly and have your heel touch your bum, it could be two problems. It could be shortness in the quadriceps, or it could be a problem in the tension in the joint itself. So first you want to start by doing some quadricep stretches to make sure that doesn't alleviate the problem. If there is some tension in the joint itself, there's some simple mobility stuff that can sometimes help. So what you'll need is just a simple lacrosse ball. You can use a softball. A tennis ball is a bit soft but still works. Or some of those fancy spike balls that you can get from the gym for mobility and myofascial release. And so what we want to do is we want to try and get that heel towards our bum, but we're going to do it in a sitting position, and we're going to help get a little bit of help by releasing any tension that could be in the back of the knee. So in the back of the knee, we've got our medial and lateral side or outside. You'll feel where the hamstrings cross into the knee. We want to put our ball there. So we're going to be getting kind of those trigger points on the hamstring, as well as in the upper gastroc, or in the upper calf. And so we can just hang here, let that ball sit in there, and slowly move deeper and deeper into that stretch. And you'll find after a couple minutes, that heel will get pretty much almost right to your bum if you can. So once you do this one for just moving slightly in and out of that stretch if you can, do this for 2 to 5 minutes. And once you're done that, you can take the ball out and go on the inside of the knee, on the same side, and move in and out of that stretch to see if you can get more flexion in that joint. And I would be surprised if you didn't. Secondly, if you don't have a ball or that feels uncomfortable, we want to get a little bit more joint space into that area. What you can do is the same thing but with a towel. So there's not going to be a big myofascial release. It's more just trying to create that this, instead of this knee joint being pushing together when it bends, we want to kind of, create some space when the knee bends. So simple, take a tea towel, roll it up a little bit about this size, and put it behind your knee. And we do the same thing. So we tuck that tight in the knee, just move the heel to the bum, and you can feel it kind of create a little bit more space in that knee. Again, do for 2 to 5 minutes, and do once or twice a day. And once you're done, check to see how close you can get that bum to your heel without any of this stuff in it.